Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare Spotify and Apple Music as what is the best music app in Canada. If you're based in Canada, or you're looking for the best possible music app, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. If you don't have the extra cash to splash on streaming, then Spotify should probably be your go-to service. Staying true to its music for everyone ethos, it is one of the few to offer a free, ad-supported subscription tier alongside its premium service. You very much get what you pay for. The free version has restricted sound quality, 128 kbps on the web player, and approximately 160 kbps on its desktop and mobile apps. Apple Music doesn't have a free tier, although there is a 1-month free trial, which is extended to 3 months if you buy certain Apple devices or plans like iCloud Plus. You also don't need a subscription to listen to Apple Music One Radio, formerly Beats One. Both Apple Music and Spotify claim to have over 100 million tracks in their catalogs. The latter has a wider variety of audio content, also offering over 7 million podcasts. Apple Music doesn't host podcasts. They're in Apple's separate podcasts app. Both services are available on a number of platforms. There's desktop support for PC and Mac, plus Android and iOS apps. Spotify also has the benefit of its Spotify Connect feature, which lets premium subscribers stream directly to speakers, TVs, or systems, while Apple deploys AirPlay 2 here. The Browse, or homepage, throws up context-based playlists, constantly updated UK and global charts, and new releases for your attention. When you register for Apple Music, tapping on floating red circles highlighting different genres of music and artists gives an indication of your initial preferences. On the iOS app, there's a whole row of top picks for you, encompassing new releases, a new music mix, a mood playlist for you, and a discovery station, all based on what you've listened to. Apple Music is cheaper, apart from Spotify's ad-supported tier, of course, and sounds much better. But it lacks a comparable Connect feature, which it could really do with. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.